Let's talk about the cell structure and its functions. The first thing that comes into our mind is that of cell division. The sequence of the events by which a cell duplicates its genome, synthesizes the other constituents of the cell, and eventually divides into two daughter cells, which are termed as the cell cycle. The cell cycle includes the three processes: the cell division, the DNA replication, and the cell growth in the coordinate way. The cell cycle goes through two ways: interphase and the mitosis. In interphase there are G1S and G2, which is also known as the resting phase R, and in mitosis there are chirokinesis and cytokinesis. Chirokinesis further categorizes into prophase, the metaphase, the anaphase, and the telophase, as you can see this from the diagram given here. In the interphase, it is divided into three further phases, which are G1S and G2. In the G1 phase, it corresponds to the interval between the mitosis and the initiation of the DNA replication. During the G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active and continuously grows but does not replicate its DNA. The cells grow in size. Now the structure and the function and proteins are formed. High metabolic rate of cells. Now what is the S phase? It is also known as the synthesis phase, period during which the DNA synthesis or replication takes place. During this time, the amount of DNA per cell doubles. Only the amount of DNA is doubled, number of chromosomes remain the same, and the synthesis of the histone protein. Now what happens in the G2 phase or the gap2 phase? The proteins are synthesized in the preparation for the mitosis while cell growth continues. Some cells do not exhibit the division, like the heart cells, nerve cells, etc. These cells enter in an inactive phase called the GO or the quiescent phase from the G1 phase. Cells in this phase are metabolically active, but they do not divide unless they are called on to do so. Now what is mitosis or the M phase? In the animals, meiotic cell division is called the equigenal division, as the number of chromosomes in the parent and the progeny cells are the same. You can see the cells of mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase from the picture given here in the slide, which are the four stages of mitosis. Mitosis is divided into the following four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, the chromosomal material condenses to form the compact meiotic chromosomes. The nuclear envelope disappears and the formation of spindle happens. In metaphase, the start of the metaphase is marked by the complete disintegration of the nuclear envelope. The chromosomes are moved into the position at the center of the cell. The metaphase is characterized by all the chromosomes coming to lie at the equator, with one chromatid of each chromosome connected by its kinetochore to the spindle. Now what are anaphase and telophase? Now what is anaphase? At the onset of the anaphase, each chromosome arranged at the metaphase plate is split simultaneously, and the two daughter chromatids begin to move towards the two opposite poles. As each chromosome moves away from the equilateral plate, the centromere of each chromosome is towards the pole and hence at the leading edge, with the arms of the chromosome trailing behind. And what is telophase? At the beginning of the telophase, the chromosomes at their respective poles decondense and form chromatin network. The nuclear envelope assembles around the chromatin network. Two daughter nuclei formed at the two poles. What is cytokinesis? After the karyokinesis, the cell itself is divided into two daughter cells by a separate process called the cytokinesis. In an animal cell, this is achieved by the appearance of a furrow in the plasma membrane. The plant cells undergo cytokinesis by the cell plate method. In the cell plate method, the wall formation starts in the center of the cell and grows outward to meet the existing lateral wall. As you can see the two diagrams of an animal cell and that of a plant cell. In animal cell, there are cleavage furrow and the chondritic ring, and in the plant cell, there is only the Golgi vesicles and the cell plate. Now what is the significance of mitosis? It has the identical gene composition, no variation, increase in the number of cells that brings the body growth and the development of an organism, and the healing of wounds. What do you mean by amitosis? The amitosis is a simple division, also called as the direct cell division. During amitosis, the nucleus simply elongates and then undergoes a constriction, dividing into two daughter nuclei without any differentiation of the chromosomes or the spindle formation. The nuclei during amitosis may or may not be of the equal sizes. Amitosis is most common in certain lower algae, fungi and some protozoans, and certain old cells in the higher plants. Here is given the stages of amitosis. First the cytoplasm and the nucleus, and then the cell membrane dividing the nucleus, and then the daughter cells. I hope you have enjoyed the video and as well as understood it. Thank you.